Let's talk about this water filter right here. This is my go-to water filter when I am changing out the water filters inside my refrigerator. I've been using this for years and it has been giving me the cleanest water possible when I am drinking water from the refrigerator. So I'm going to show you how simple it is to take out of the refrigerator, replace it with the new one, and then also prime the water filter the way the instructions tell you. So let's go ahead and get this water filter installed. First things first, full disclosure, my refrigerator is not the cleanest, so don't judge me. Now, what you need to do is in the middle, it's real simple. You flip this up, twist it to the left, and then pull out. And as you can see, there's the old one right there. And then we're gonna put the new one in, take the plastic off, take off the cap, and then push in and twist to the right until it locks and you hear that suction. That part is done. So the next thing you're going to want to do is just get a large jug of water, because now you're going to have to run at least 3 gallons of water through that filter to make sure it is primed properly. All right, there you have it. This is our go-to water filters for our refrigerator that we've never had any issues with it, and it always gave us clean water. Definitely recommend this product. I think you're going to enjoy it. Actually, I know you're going to enjoy it. Go grab one today. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day.